So अब इसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम क्या पूछे जाएंगे? प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी सिंपल. They will give you some potential. They will ask you which point is a stable equilibrium point, which point is unstable equilibrium point. But I am interested into plotting the curve between Vx versus x and plotting the curve between Fx versus x. Okay? And let's try to go for the actual problem. हम लोग इसको कैसे discuss कर सकते हैं? Everything is okay? चलो. So let's shoot the problem. Suppose I have Bx is equal to x cube by 3 minus x square by 2. Suppose this is my potential. Bx is equal to x cube by 3 and just a minute. X cube by 3 and ऐसा करो उल्टा कर लो. ये आपका So you have x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Suppose this is your potential. कुछ ये लेता है, ठीक है? Bx is equal to x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. This is your potential. Okay? और इसके थ्रू हम और भी कई चीजें सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay? So first question is that. The first question is. Find the stable and unstable equilibrium point. Find the stable and unstable equilibrium point. Second, find the stable and unstable equilibrium point. Second, plot Vx versus x. Second is what? Plot Vx versus x. Okay. Third is all about plot Fx versus x. Plot Fx versus x. Clear है? Plot Fx versus x. Let's try to plot all this thing. देखते हैं कैसे कर सकते हैं. और देखो इसका यूज सिर्फ यही नहीं रहेगा, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो करेंगे वहां भी डायरेक्ट यूज होगा. ठीक है? So everything is connected. Okay? So how you will go for this? So try करोगे? Just try करते हैं, देखो. So first thing is that we have to find a stable and unstable equilibrium point. So what you have to do? You have to go for del V upon del X must be equal to 0. Del V upon del X must be equal to 0. That means we have x minus x square must be equal to 0. Yes? And from there we can have x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. These 2 points are what? Stable equilibrium point. इसे आप क्या कहोगे? Stable equilibrium point. SEP. This is basically identified as what? Stable equilibrium point. ठीक है? Now we have to check which point is stable and which point is unstable. Okay? So how you will go for? You will go for second order derivative. जब आप second order derivative पर जाओगे, then you have del square v upon del x square, and that value is 1 minus 2x. Del square v upon del x square is equal to what? 1 minus 2x. Okay? So then, if you will put x is equal to 0, then del square v upon del x square at x is equal to 0 is equal to 1, that is greater than 0. So x is equal to 0 is stable or unstable? Stable. So that value is stable. X is equal to 0 is, sorry, यहाँ पर मैंने गड़बड़ कर दिया ना, sorry, this is just a equilibrium point. This please correct it. आपको बताना चाहिए ना. This is just a equilibrium point, and this value is, please correct down. इसको correct कर लो. मैंने गलती से SCP लिख दिया. This is nothing but what? Equilibrium point. And what is x is equal to 0? X is equal to 0 is stable equilibrium point. S is equal to 0 is what? Stable equilibrium point. ठीक है? And second case के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? Del square B upon del x square at x is equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and that is x is equal to 1 is unstable equilibrium point. So this value is nothing but what? Unstable equilibrium point. Everyone is comfortable? So this is unstable equilibrium point and this is what? Stable equilibrium point. Agree? तो यहाँ तक तो बहुत ही आसान है. Don't worry. Just आपको formula क्या concept पता है, आप easily कर लोगे. Let's try to plot it. So I am just giving you 30 seconds plot it. Plot कर लिए? Okay, दिखाओ. Okay, good. Just plot it. Online people, you have to also plot it. चलो, let's try to go for plotting of this curve. जब आप plot कर रहे हो कर्व को तो आपको सारी चीजें ध्यान में रखना है. क्या क्या पॉइंट ध्यान में रखोगे वो देखते हैं. ठीक है? So first is you have what is your bx, that is your x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Okay, and first thing you have to choose where is your potential is going to 0. That means you have to find at which point your potential is going to be 0. किस पॉइंट पर आपका पोटेंशियल क्या है? 0 है. So you have to just find this particular point. So from here you have x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Your potential is going to 0. So that value is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1.5. This is just an ordinary point. It may be stable or unstable, but currently this is just an ordinary point. So I am just going to plot here. So this value 1 is 0 and 1 is 1.5. And we are just plotting what? Vx versus x. Clear here? This is just a Vx versus x. Next, you have to find the maximum and minima or a stable or unstable point. So yes, we have find maximum and minima. So del v upon del x की value क्या होगी? X minus x square, and from here you have, and that value del v upon del x must be 0. You will get 0 and 1. Yes, and after then we have to choose which one is stable and which one is unstable. So we have already checked that del square v upon del x square, ठीक है ना? That value is equal to 1 minus 2x, and this value at x is equal to 0, del square v del x square is equal to plus 1, and that is greater than 0. So x is equal to 0 is stable equilibrium point. This is also identified where curve is taking to the turn. है ना? कर्व इज गोइंग टू बी टर्न. जैसे मिनिमम x की वैल्यू बढ़ाते से कम होता जा रहा है, क्या होगा वो? ज्यादा होगा, एंड योर शेप विल बी कॉन्केव अपवर्ड. Okay, and what will happen to the another one? When we will go for another one, then del square v upon del x square at x is equal to 1. Sorry. So you have x is equal to 1, this value is equal to less than 0, and that value is what? Minus 1, no? This value is minus 1, that is less than 0. Okay? So this is your unstable, means here is curve something like this. यहाँ पर एक चीज आपको और चेक करना होगा. वो क्या चेक करना होगा? You have to check what will happen at V0. What is the value of V0? That value is 0. What will happen at V1? What is that value? What is the value of V1? 1 by 6. What is meaning of that? Meaning of that, at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. These 2 points where curve is going to be turned. So at x is equal to 0, you have minima or maxima? Minima. You have minima. That means your curve will be concave upward. Your curve will what? Concave upward. That means, and what will be the x is, what is the value of x is equal to 0? 0. So that means the curve will be something like this. X is equal to 0, the value is 0. Now what will happen at x is equal to 1? X is equal to 1 is maxima or minima? Maxima. What is the value of x is equal to 1? 1 by 6. When potential will reach at 1 by 6, the curve will again go back. So this will be something like this. And all other point is either monotonically decreasing or monotonically increasing. So this value will be decreasing monotonically. This value will be monotonically increasing. And your curve will be something like this. So this value is equal to what? 1 by 6. This value is 1. This value is 0.